5 major causes of hormonal imbalance. Did you know that hormonal imbalance can have a harmful impact on your body and lead to mood swings and sometimes depression and anxiety? I am sure at some stage in your life, you must have experienced mood swings that just come out of nowhere, isn't it? In this video, you are going to learn about the effects of hormonal imbalance, how you can prevent such imbalance, and if your everyday activities and the food you eat is causing such imbalance. Did you know that hormones are the chemical messengers that are responsible for regulating growth and metabolism in your body? They regulate various physiological processes in the body, including growth, metabolism, mood, and reproduction. They are produced by glands such as the pituitary, thyroid, and adrenal glands, and they travel through the bloodstream to target organs to control their functions. They also play a crucial role in regulating the body's response. Unfortunately, certain activities and diseases can imbalance these chemical messengers, resulting in mood swings. So, what exact factors influence the hormones and expose them to being imbalanced? As you grow up, go through puberty, menstruate, hormones secreted by the pituitary gland stimulate the gonads, testes in males, ovaries in females, to produce sex hormones. As the process of growing up continues, disruptions occur in the normal production, release, or regulation of hormones, with a lot of studies stating that stressors or certain conditions can contribute to these imbalances. In today's video, we are going to discuss the 5 major causes of hormonal imbalances. What are their symptoms and what you can do to prevent these conditions? 1. Chronic stress. The endocrine system can be severely impacted by prolonged stress, which can cause imbalance in hormone production. Chronic stress primarily affects 2 hormones, cortisol and adrenaline. Chronic stress has a complex long-term effect on hormones and can be linked to a number of health concerns, such as immune system malfunction, metabolic abnormalities, and cardiovascular problems. It is essential to manage stress with dietary adjustments, deep breathing exercises, and support networks in order to preserve hormonal balance and general well-being. Which tactics are beneficial? Make self-care a priority, engage in mindfulness exercises, and set up appropriate boundaries. Regular self-care increases resistance to long-term stress. Chronic stress can be prevented with regular exercise, mindfulness training, and sustaining a supportive social network. How could alterations in lifestyle affect stress? Including good practices increases resilience, which benefits stress reduction and general well-being. Treatment for chronic stress includes lifestyle modifications, counseling, and, in certain situations, medication. What function does counseling serve? Counseling helps people manage and reduce chronic stress by offering coping mechanisms and a safe, supportive environment. 2. Inadequate sleep. Lack of sleep can interfere with the body's ability to regulate hormones, including those involved in stress response, appetite, and growth. Do hormone abnormalities have a connection to symptoms of insufficient sleep? Yes. Getting too little sleep throws off chemicals like growth hormone and cortisol, which affect metabolism, stress response, and hormonal balance in general. Maintaining a healthy endocrine system requires prioritizing good sleep. Insufficient sleep has been linked to mood disorders, immune system deterioration, and worse cognitive performance. It raises the risk of diabetes, obesity, and chronic illnesses like accidents. Long-term health problems can arise from chronic sleep deprivation, underscoring the significance of getting enough good sleep as a prerequisite for overall health. A regular sleep schedule, a sleep-friendly atmosphere, and relaxation exercises are all necessary to address sleep. Regular exercise combined with reducing coffee and screen time before bed can help improve sleep quality. Seeking individualized assistance from a healthcare expert is recommended if problems continue. 3. Food and nutrition. The food you eat also contributes to hormonal imbalance. Hormone production can be impacted by poor diet and improper eating practices. For example, eating too much sugar can make you more insulin resistant. In what ways might problems with nutrition and food cause symptoms associated with hormonal imbalance? Overindulgence in sugar or insufficient consumption of nutrients can indicate poor nutrition, which can throw off the balance of insulin and cortisol. This emphasizes the complex relationship between dietary practices and hormonal balance and can result in symptoms including irregular menstruation cycles, exhaustion, and weight gain. Adopting a healthy, balanced diet full of vital nutrients is the first step in addressing food and nutrition-related concerns. Hormonal balance is promoted by including entire grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean meats. A licensed dietitian or other healthcare expert can assist in developing individualized dietary regimens to address imbalances and promote general health. 4. Medical conditions. Hormonal imbalance can result from a number of illnesses, including thyroid issues and polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS. Medical diseases that interfere with hormone balance include PCOS and thyroid disorders. PCOS can cause irregular periods, acne, and increased testosterone levels. Fatigue, mood swings, and weight changes are all related to thyroid problems. These disorders affect hormone production and control, leading to a range of symptoms that need to be evaluated by a physician and treated specifically. What is the treatment for a disorder like polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, and how does it impact hormone balance? PCOS induces insulin resistance and increased androgens, which upset hormonal balance. Symptoms include irregular menstruation, acne, and problems with conception. In order to control insulin levels, treatment entails dietary and exercise changes. Menstrual cycle regulation and symptom management are achieved by medications like anti-androgens and birth control. A medical professional's advice is essential for the individualized treatment of hormone abnormalities associated with PCOS. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can reduce the likelihood that illnesses will result in hormone abnormalities. Eat a healthy, balanced diet, exercise frequently, learn to control your stress, and get regular checkups to identify and treat potential problems early. What role does consistent exercise have in avoiding diseases that cause hormonal imbalance? Exercise lowers stress, enhances insulin sensitivity, and aids in maintaining a healthy weight. Together, these elements support hormonal balance and lower the risk of developing diseases like PCOS and insulin resistance. 5. Medications. Some medications, including birth control pills, can influence hormone levels and cause imbalance. Hormone balance can be upset by several drugs, which can cause a variety of symptoms. For example, libido fluctuations, mood swings, and changes in weight may result from the effects of oral contraceptives on estrogen and progesterone levels. Often used to treat inflammation, corticosteroids can affect adrenal hormones, which can lead to mood swings and weight gain. Serotonin and dopamine levels may be influenced by antidepressants, which may have an impact on mood and sexual function. Weakness, irregular periods, or emotional disorders are examples of imbalance. What effect do hormone abnormalities have on mental health? Because hormones are essential for controlling neurotransmitters that affect mental health, they can exacerbate mood swings, anxiety, and despair. Careful control is required when treating hormone abnormalities brought on by medication. Doctors may change to a medicine with less hormonal side effects or modify the dosage. For certain imbalance, hormone replacement therapy, HRT, may be considered as a means of replenishing hormones that are lacking. Modest lifestyle choices, such as eating a well-balanced diet and exercising frequently, can help control hormones. Utilizing blood tests to track hormone levels guarantees a customized strategy. Counseling and other forms of assistance could also be helpful in managing emotional concerns. Exist any natural treatments that can help with the symptoms of a hormonal imbalance? Yes, leading a healthy lifestyle that includes stress reduction, regular exercise, and a good diet helps improve hormone balance and lessen related symptoms. There you have it. For proactive health management, it is essential to comprehend the complexity of hormonal imbalance. We have looked at the effects of drugs, symptoms, and possible cures. Recall that you should get individualized guidance from a healthcare provider if you believe you may have hormonal imbalance. Gain knowledge to empower yourself and make wise decisions to support hormonal balance. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found this material useful. We will be posting more informative content continuously. Thanks to your help, we can keep offering insightful information. We appreciate your participation in our community. Till we meet again, be mindful of your well-being. Bye.